Hey guys, Anthony, 4x4 Diesel. It's Monday, it's parts day. We've got a little bit of laundry to do and some really important information for everybody. Look what I just got. Look at that. 50 bucks. To be quite honest, I kind of get that all the time. And today I also received a gift of $50 in the bank account for someone just saying thanks. They inquired some information on injectors, a bit of a problem, and then found out that it was the blocked oil pickup and was just really appreciative of that information. But look, I think the reason a lot of people want to make these gifts or whatever the case may be is they appreciate the information, and I appreciate that you appreciate that. Just trying to help as many people as I can. Now, this has got to be a little bit about my customer service, because maybe it's not so good, you tell me. Now, on one hand, we've got heaps of people buying all these parts kits, everybody commenting either in text messages on Facebook or on YouTube. It's amazing, you know, I sent the message at 8 o'clock Monday morning and already had the tracking details, the invoice, and it was all packed live, photos and all this sort of thing, and sent the same day, and it arrived 9 a.m. the next morning, so that's really awesome. But then what we haven't talked about is what can you expect as far as a refund goes if you change your mind or something like that. So I thought we'd better talk about that, because today someone got a bit of a surprise. I'll just quickly give you that story. He inquired like anyone else on a Monday. It probably was, I think, I don't remember. Mate, I need a pair of Prado front wheel bearing hubs, whatever. No worries, we got it all organised. Swift as usual in those express bags like what you see in the view there. Got them all sent out, bada bing, bada boom. Right, okay, so, but now he's changed his mind because, you know, the mechanic that he went to or his mate or whoever it was, look, lots of people, maybe the details are a bit blurred, lots of messages, very time consuming, and that's the whole point here. When you inquire about a kit, I have to obviously answer the messages. So the process has started on the clock. It takes time. Time is money. We need to do something to make money to pay the bills. So there's a number of different things we do. Most people get this. Okay, so these parts are custom built and custom packed to suit your needs wherever you are in Australia. Sorry guys, if you're new to the channel, we can only supply our parts kits to people in Australia. Small business, I just haven't got the resources to be able to do it international, but that could happen at a later date. So if you haven't already subscribed, turn the bell on, we'll let you know if anything changes. So my customer service, if I make a mistake, I'm gonna go above and beyond and do whatever I can do to rectify the issue. If I forget to put a seal that's worth $5, mate, I'll send you 20 bucks, whatever. It's the whole inconvenience. I'm going to go above and beyond. Send you 50 bucks, whatever it takes to keep you happy, that's reasonable. I'm not going to give you a full refund on thousands of dollars for injector kits and hubs and BFE kits, of course, you know, whatever's reasonable. If it's my fault though, this is the way I look at it. These days it's all about litigation. Oh, you know, it's his fault. That's it. Everybody wants to sue everybody. So the way I kind of look at it in business or anything really, when it comes to money in business, it's kind of whoever's fault it is or whoever made the mistake should pay for it, right? So that's why, you know, court cases happen and they work out what the facts are, what the truth is, and hang on, well, you did that, so then that's why you've got to pay for it. Now, the way I look at it, once this package is done, you've ordered it, I've put it together exactly what you asked for. It's taken time to do that. These are custom packed individually. You know, every kit's different. Oh, you don't want this, you want that, you want 2 of those. I want 2 map filters, 1 for later, whatever the case may be. So if you want to return something, firstly, because it's a custom setup for you, we don't really do refunds. I haven't had to do refunds because we just get it right the first time. So please first, make your mind carefully what you want and if you want it or not, because I don't want to do refunds, okay? Make sure. I've done refunds for people. Like one guy said he lost his job. So I did a refund, right? I think we might have charged him 100 or somewhere around there. I can't remember, it was a year or 2 ago. I said, look, I've got to charge you that fee because it cost us money to send it, right? It cost us time to pack it. It's very time consuming. It's more than you think. And obviously we've got to get it to the post. All this, it's all time and money. Okay, most people get that. What I also, above and beyond, I said, but look, when you're ready to purchase, if you come back to me, you're in credit, you know, so I'm sort of charging you for that. But if you come back to me, I'm doing it for free. So it's a free return if you come back to me later. So anyway, point is, we've done a couple of circumstances like that where we've done refunds, but we had someone today and he was a bit surprised. And I'm just estimating here, you know, your front hubs, they're about $1,000 worth plus freight. $1,067 to your door, right? Okay, that's all genuine parts. You do it once in 200,000 Ks. It's awesome value for money. You know what you're going to get out of it, the way we do it. We've explained it in all those other videos. Check them out. Check out our playlists, right? There's probably something there about front hubs or something like that. Anyway, the point is, what is the point? The point is, so I've done my job. I've been paid for it. So if I've got to, if I give you a full refund, it's going to cost me money because I've spent all the time. I spent the money on the bags. These bags with the signature are worth over $30 each now, I think. So it's $65, and they don't get here on their own, and they don't go back to the post office on their own either. It all takes time, plus the time packing, not to mention the tape and all the other crap. We can't stand waste, so we recycle as much as we can. We'll see that, and hope you get to know me that way, as in I can't stand waste. In the same way, I don't want to sell you injectors if you don't need them, okay? I don't want to sell you anything you don't need. I do want to sell you whatever you do need. I'm here to help. So basically, look, I said, at the end of the day, I don't know. So there's 2 seals in with those bearings. There's been 2 occasions where those seals have been damaged. The more they get sent around, dropped and thrown around, the more likely it's going to be that one of those gets damaged. Those seals that are in there are worth about $80 each. This is the extra seal that goes in behind the hub. Anyway, the point is, so I don't know if they're damaged or not. So we've paid for the bags, we've paid the time, and then obviously it's going to cost you money to return them. So what's it going to cost? I mean, is it $200 or $300 in time that I spent packing it, getting ready, and sending it in the bags? And there's a lot of variables. Is something damaged or not? I need to get it back. I need to check it more time. I need to do all the text messages to say, hey, it's all time. So we've doubled our time. Then instead of just the sale, we've got the refund, right? So there's time involved there. Then we've got to do a payment. Obviously, you say, oh, it's only a minute. It's not a minute. By the time you get the details and you log in and you do that, it's 5 minutes. And then all these little messages. So it's hours of time. It's actually a couple of hours. I don't know what your hourly rate is, but in our business, our hourly rate for quality is anything from $160 to $220 an hour. I think I'm going to put it up. Now, you might think that's a lot, but quality, get it right the first time rate, right? Get it done efficiently and quickly rate. Do you get it? $80 an hour will just take all day, or we can do $200 an hour, get it done in 3 hours and get it done right the first time, or whatever, right? Bad examples, but the point is you get what you pay for. I'm good, not cheap. So if you're going to think about a refund, think twice, okay? It's not going to be cheap to get a refund from me. I'm being clear, transparent, that's what I do. We hadn't talked about it before because I said people don't take refunds. Because it's a custom package for you, I don't have to do a refund, but of course I would like to do a refund. I would like to do what I can do to help, which is why I'm making this video for anybody that wants to watch it, that sticks around, and you can just take it or leave it. So if it scares people from buying from me, no problem. You can go somewhere else and get all the wrong packages, and you can try out their customer service, because there's a reason why I'm getting gift cards and gifts and people sending all these messages how happy they are with service, because guess what? I like to provide a good service. Funny that, because I like people going, that's awesome, because where can you get this these days? You just can't get it. So this is part of the service. This is part of my customer service. So thanks for listening. For the new people to the channel that missed it, Parts Day is Monday morning from about 7:30 a.m, 7:30, or you can send a text message around, and when the phone comes off silent, I think it's around probably 8:30, but I'll pick it up and check it if I like before then. Bang, there's the messages, what you want, I'm going to send you the order, you pay for it. Something else to do with customer service. This is a community service announcement. We're getting the laundry done. The banks, they used to be instant, they used to take days, then they were instant, and they said, no, we've got to do a security hold, and then OSCO came along, and then it was instant, but now they're doing 24-hour security holds. I can't help it if your bank holds the money for 24 hours. I can't help that. That's not me doing that. So once we receive the funds, we pack the kits in the order that the payments arrive, okay? So if we've got, let's just say, if we've got 100 sets of injectors, it's not a problem, but if we're running low and we've got 3 left and whatever, whoever's money goes in first, sometimes I'll tell you in the text message, look, we're out of a fuel pipe, or out of a map filter, or out of that injector, or whatever. If I'm prepared to take your money and put you on a list to wait, it's not usually going to be long, okay? It's going to be like a few days, a week or two, shouldn't be too long. But during COVID, we've seen some out of the ordinary delays that, there's been some Dobson suspension delays that went for a couple of months. We haven't seen anything like it since then. That was late 2020, around, August, September, that sort of thing. Delays we've never seen before. I think some of them there was only a handful, but maybe 2 or 3 months, maybe even 4, but about 2, I think, was more accurate. Most delays, if it's going to be 2 months, I don't want your money. I want to say, look, remind me again next month. I'll text you. I'll say, hey, look, Monday morning, can you please text me again, because I haven't got on it. Can't help you with that now. Next Monday, right? And I've explained in other videos, we're on the tools. We're busy throughout the week. We can't just do parts every day. So I really appreciate. I wish I could give you $50 back to the people that listen. They were going to, yeah. No, it's all good, guys. So for the people that want to show some appreciation and want to communicate, if you haven't got Prados and Hiluxes and you're thinking about it, well, that's cool. If you've got a Mitsubishi or a Nissan, that's cool. It's all good. We've got a Facebook group called 4x4 Diesel, just like the channel. So you might want to get in there. You need to answer the 3 questions, right? And they need to be the correct answers, please. And just be nice, no swearing. We're there to help each other. It's not there, no cowboy stuff, whatever. And if you want to send gifts, no problem. The more gifts you send, the more favourable it's going to be when it comes to pricing for your what you need, because we're going to be really, thank you very much. Anyway, guys, that's a Monday announcement, parts day. Pretty well, I just really want, look, if I make the mistake with the parts, I'm going to just go above and beyond. If it's you changed your mind, or you made a mistake, or your mechanic told you it needs that and it doesn't, I don't really want to, and I don't believe that I have to give you that refund, but we're not going to argue about it. We will give you a refund, but it's going to attract a restocking fee, we'll call it, because that's what other companies call it, 22% restocking fee or whatever it is, right? We're talking about sensitive parts here. When it comes to injectors and stuff like that, we may not refund them if they're not sealed and everything as per original packaging, and I know what that looks like. So don't waste your time trying to send something back, making it look like it was how it was. I know exactly what original packaging is, but generally, let's just make it, we're not going to do refunds. We are, but we're not, right? So we don't want to, but you can ask, and I'll help you out as much as I can, but I'm going to go, this is how much time I spent on it, plus the extra time making a video. This is how much time. I want to be really clear, repeating myself. The more I repeat myself and get it into your head, help me help you. Someone just texts me, mate, you are quick. And I'm like, the more you can help me help you, the quicker we get it done, the more people we can help, the more efficient we are, the more productive, the more people we can help, right? That's what this is about. We've got a bench full of kits here on a Monday, and we're going to get to the post office now and send them. And whatever payments didn't come through, they'll come through tomorrow. We'll finish off packing while we're doing our suspension. Prado, Dobinson's suspension Tuesday mornings from about 9 AM. Shoot me a text message. Make sure you watch those playlists called Suspension Information on our YouTube channel or on Oz Prado Crew. It's in there under announcements, suspension information. Check them all out. Don't be if you're texting me and you're vague because you don't, I'm going, this guy hasn't watched the information. You should be able to decide whether you want monotubes, twin tubes. You'll have a fair idea what springs that you think you might need. We can help you a little bit with that. Send a couple of photos of the vehicle so we can go, yeah, that looks pretty heavy. It's got big bull bars, winches with cable and batteries and antennas and light bars, and we've been through all this. So I'm out here, guys. Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up. I'm just trying to help you, help me, help you, and all of that. Subscribe bell on. Catch ya.